Good. Hit in the shoulder blade area. There's an Okhotsk ram. So, indeed, a truly worthy trophy of the Okhotsk snow ram was certainly taken. An experienced and skilled mountain hunter managed to hit a moving target at a distance of 680 meters. The bighorns were moving away, climbing up the neighboring slope. Another minute of delay and they would have disappeared from view. A unique chance appearing for the first time in several days could have been lost forever. The distance to the rams was approximately 610 meters. For some unclear reason, the bullet passed a centimeter below the ram. Perhaps Sergei did not account for the sub-zero temperature, and the cold shot sent the first bullet lower. There was absolutely no other option but to fire at the moving target. The second shot also landed under the hooves of the fleeing ram. Focusing, the shooter made a third shot with great care.